guys, and welcome back to my channel. And I can never start that off any other way because I am so uncreative when it comes to that shit. Ugh. Okay, moving on. Today's tutorial is more of a skincare tutorial, I guess, if you think about it, but it's a beautiful, beautiful skincare tutorial. It's all about the skin. To achieve this look, it's literally all about the skin. I have used makeup, but like minimal makeup. So if you're here for a makeup tutorial, I'm really sorry, but you're not gonna get one. It is indeed the glass skin thing that's kind of all over social media, and it's super beautiful and it's super natural and I love it. So if you've not heard of glass skin, it is a K-beauty thing, which is Korean beauty kind of fad, and they do it fantastically, but their skin is just unbelievable. I love doing this look, like especially like this is how I'm going out today. I am going out today. I'm going to go drive and see my family in Surrey, and we're going out for dinner. Where you kind of want to look nice, but you don't want to go like full glam or like too much, because it's just really not the setting for that. So something like this is super chilled and the sun is shining, so it's just casual, laid back, beautiful. Do I dare say summer's day? The one thing I want to say before you continue and go and enjoy the tutorial is that if you have super dry skin, I don't know how well this would work for you on like a long basis, because like it's very tight already in my skin, and like I know I can do this, I've done it before and I can go all day with it. But if you've got super dry skin, I really wouldn't advise going all day doing without moisturizer and stuff like that. I just think it's not really worth it. But I thought I should just say that before you guys watch it and be like, I can't do that, my face would crack. My face sometimes feels like it's gonna crack depending on how hardcore I've gone in cleansing. So anyway, that's it from me today. I hope you guys go and enjoy it, and I'll see you guys next time. Right, this is just gonna be the weirdest thing ever, because I have my cloth, I have a bowl of water. I'm gonna wash my face sitting in my living room. First thing is first, exfoliation. Today I will be using the St. Ives Blemish Control Apricot Scrub. It's an oldie but a goodie. I actually never tried anything else, but I just love this, so I just think this is the best thing. If you've seen any of my skincare videos, this comes up a lot. Right, I'm just gonna wet my face quickly because I've got a dry face. Right, I would go wetting face. Face obviously needs to be wet. If anyone's interested, these are the Primark microfiber. Alright, they're the makeup remover things. If you're an avid flannel user, these things are just so much better. Right, so I always leave this on for like a minute or 2 minutes, only because it's got active ingredients in it, so I just think if you leave it on, they work better instead of just scrubbing your face and washing it off. It's a bit weird sitting here on my own, my living room, wearing face wash in silence. Sitting here in silence. Right. I wish I could wash my face on camera, but I think that's asking a bit too much. So go wash it off. Right, done. Now, I always say that the best way to dry your skin is just to let it air dry. Now, you should start to be able to see our achievable goal already happening. So now it is time for the mask. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this and know all about it. I held out for so long buying this because it was like, nah, I don't like to buy into hypes too early. But I went to my mum's after one of those rank graveyard shifts, and she had this in her bathroom. Now my mum is like literally equally skin whorish as I am, so I'm gonna use that. It really is very good. So this is the Sand and Sky Brilliant Skin Detoxifying Brightening Mask. And the thing I love about this mask is it is actually really quick. It dries very quickly, so you're not sitting around ages waiting for your face to dry.
All of the pain seems to follow, like a shadow, dark and cold to the touch. Am I insane not to let go?
Done. Now let that dry.
Remember the rest of the words. Helpful.
It's taking forever, isn't it? My God. God, I look awful. I'm not going to take it off on camera because that's just way too messy, but these are the best things I've found for masks. Now, I like to mask a lot, and I don't always like to go in the shower, and obviously that's the easiest way to take them off. But then I found these. Now, these are Primark. These are Primark, and they're 100% cotton and everything like that. Cotton wool pads, but look how big they are. I know, I just have to show you because I just think they're the best, like, they're one of my best finds ever, because I can now mask and not have to get in the shower every time I mask, because these things take them off. Right, so once that's all off, again, let your skin air dry. Now can you see already the magic is happening? And there is one last step, I swear, then that's it, okay? But you will not be disappointed, okay? It is worth it. So this is the last skincare step, I swear. All we're gonna do is we're going to gently cleanse our face to make sure all that stuff is off our face. All the mask is off and all the everything. I always use quite a gentle oil cleanser for this bit because number one, it has added hydration. So it leaves my skin feeling moisturized yet not moisturized, but you get my point. If you use an oil based cleanser, you understand what I mean. This is a new one that I've been trying for the last couple of months and I really like it. You guys know I love my Emma Hardy, that will always stay at the top, but I will say this one is very good as well. This is the Alpha H liquid cleansing oil with white mulberry. So you put it on dry. As you can see, it's like a gel, but it's like an oily gel. And I always completely put it on a completely dry face and massage it in, and it, oh my god, it just does wonders. I don't know what it is, because I hate stripping my face of all the natural oils. Like, with cleansers, that's quite common. You can get a clean face without completely taking everything off. Right, as I do with my St. Ives scrub, I always leave my cleansers on for like a minute or so, because I just feel like there's so much ingredients packed into them that we actually don't really let it go into our skin. So I always leave them on for a minute. With this cleanser, when I take it off, I use my microfiber towel, flannelly towely things. And also with these cleansers, it's the same with the Emma Hardy ones. Once they've kind of gone like this, you add a little bit. I always add, like, wet my fingers, and then I'll go back in, and that's when it turns into like a milky solution. And then I'll rub that all in, and then I will take it off with a damp, warm microfiber towel. Right, if you are literally following this step by step, go wash this off. Now, again, let your face completely air dry. You want your face to be completely dry. Can you see it? We can see it. I think it's safe to say that my face is completely dry. Now, I'm not going to put any moisturizer on or nothing like that, because I can deal with that with my face. Now, if you can't, you need to moisturize. But what I do is I use a skin spray. Now, this is the Mario Badescu. This is the facial spray with aloe, herbs and rose water. Now this this hydrates and refreshes my face without leaving a greasy sheen. Now that's what, when you're going for opting this look, that's what moisturizer can kill you with, because it'll leave you greasy and shiny, and that's not the point of this. Yeah? Okay, cool. I actually love that smell. That smells everything. Done. Okay, my face is, I think, is completely dry. Right, now for makeup, right? I'm being super serious when I say this. It is minimal amounts of makeup, okay? Like, minimal. Full on, hardly anything, okay? And I'm sorry if that's gonna bug you, but that's it. We've just spent so long on our skin, we're not covering up with makeup. However, as you can see, I have like the odd spot, which I am gonna cover, and I'm gonna literally touch up just these bits as well. I'm not even going to use tools, I'm literally using my fingers. So today I'm going to be using the iconic London pigment stick. Now this color is in 3. When I say minimal makeup, I literally mean minimal makeup. Like, this is not even going to touch our skin, we're using our finger. Okay, are you ready? That's it. I know it's like nothing. Who am I? Obviously, we're going to put something on our eyes. So next up, all I'm going to do is cut my eyelashes. Now these are the Shua Umura. You know what I mean. These ones. Now for mascara, I will be using the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. Done! So that's it from me today. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any questions, please just comment down below. Number 1 rule on this channel is, if you've liked what you've seen today, please subscribe. Right, I'll see you guys next time.